Alright guys, here we are, day 2 at the lake, and today we've got a very special video for you. We're making tacos al pastor. Alright, so here we have Pat stacking our thinly sliced marinated pork shoulder and onion slices on our homemade rotisserie. And if you guys didn't see the last video, this is something we made out of an old water tank and a rotisserie motor using a car battery and an inverter to power it. So maybe we'll make another video in the future showing you the recipe for our marinade. But here it is. This is about 7 pounds of stacked pork with pineapple slices on top for that little bit of sweetness. It's going to be good. Here's the famous car battery. Not the prettiest, but it works great.
Did you get that on tape?
No, I don't think I did.
All right, now we begin the cooking process. So we're just trying to get this nice and charred on the outside so we can start shaving it thinly and cooking it bit by bit from outside in. Now the charcoal actually gives off quite a bit of heat.
So, Pat,
What did I do?
no, tell me, you've had plenty of El Pastor in Mexico.
Absolutely.
Is this Mexico City status?
It is definitely Mexico City status. Definitely.
We're going to give it a try here.
Oh, yeah.
Now this knife is very sharp, and this is a lot harder than it looks. Or maybe it's as hard as I'm making it look. At this point, it's cooked for about 40 minutes.
A little bit of that pineapple real thin.
Now this thing smells amazing.
This is very, very hot. Almost burns just to have your hand here. There's definitely an art to this. A lot of respect out there to the guys that do this every day. From the donor machines, the gyros, to the al pastor chefs in Mexico City. Props. I'm gonna put a couple tortillas in there and I'll get wood-fired tortillas, of course. Tacos al pastor at the lake with onions, cebolla. Homemade salsa with jalapeno, tomato, onion, garlic, lemon, lime, whatever. And of course, cilantro. Tacos al pastor, pork. Yeah?
Oh yeah. That's a taco. Make sure we haven't stripped it.
Still no fish. But we're definitely not starving.
Yeah.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching our special Al Pastor video. If you liked it, please, please, please give us a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for more videos in the future, because we will be posting videos every 2 weeks at the least. So please, please do that. That means a lot to us. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Until the next one, you guys, peace out.
Ha